Y'all see I'm here? Look at the drone right there. See it? See it? See, it's not because of the no-fly zone, because I'm at the same place waiting for the next voyage of the ship. I flew around one time. I flew around one time, and I wanted to save my battery, so I didn't fly again. I turned it off. My phone started updating, and that's what made it do something different.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Have you seen the cruise ship go
That's
by?
what I'm waiting for.
Oh, good.
It ain't come past yet.
Hasn't. Oh, good. Thank you.
I'm over there now. I'm out there now. I don't even know where I'm at, but I'm out there. I am.
Right there. Where? You can see it. Climb it. It's right there.
You can see it?
You know, I'm blind.
You can see it because I can't see it.
I can see it. It's right there.
I can't see it.
Can you see it? I can't see it. It's right there. Where? Oh my God. I can't
It's
see
right
it.
there. You're descending.
Can you see it?
He's descending. I can see it. It's still right there, and I just turned around.
Where you see it at?
Where you
I
see
don't
it?
see it.
I'm blind. I can't see the thing.
Look. By that little shaded cloud, go right there. Right there.
No. Is it moving? What is it
Yes,
now?
it's moving up and down.
Yo, what?
It's moving up and down.
Dude, you can see that.
I can see it. Damn, your phone's slow now.
All right, now it's coming back.
Oh, there it is. That's.
Where you see it?
It's
Right
right there.
I can
I see it now.
Now,
I see it.
Yeah. How did you not see from the start?
That's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah. Hopefully this
Stop
time it'll
calling
leave
me.
on time.
Damn.
Well, it should have left by now.
Yeah, it's supposed to have left at 4
4
o'clock.
o'clock.
What's that?
I dropped my wife off up at the Claridge Hotel.
Oh, she on it now?
Yeah, she's on it now.
There it is.
Her and her lady friend.
Yeah, that's way more visible.
I can't see that, John.
It still was a large circus.
Yeah. Yeah, I went past the Clarion Hotel this time. When I went past last week, I couldn't get my drone connected.
I don't got the
updated,
balls.
and I couldn't get it to connect. So when I rolled past then, it was like 3
Yeah,
o'clock. There was still people standing there
Yeah, they
waiting
were
for the
4
boat,
hours
for
late.
the bus. And I came here and I spent the whole 4 hours and I
What
couldn't
the
get my
hell?
drone together. So I just like basically wasted my time.
How come getting them like this?
Yes, it has the drop.
Don't run the battery out. It won't.
I got one more. That's why I was trying to make sure it worked because
Ready?
it didn't work last time.
Yeah.
It's fine.
You only get about a good 25 minutes.
Oh. Hey. Oh.
Shit. 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 Shit.
Oh.
Oh.
I got balls.
Lock in.
Locked in, my God. Lock in, bro. Oh no.
Yes, yes.
Come on, please, please. I just got it. Please, no. I just got it.